Action.
Action. Hi, my name is Miss Christina Rappold, and this is Josie. We're going to be doing a fun milk soap food coloring experiment. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Yeah? Okay, awesome. So, it's super simple. Maybe your mommy or daddy or another grown-up needs to help you pour their milk. We're only going to use 5 materials for this experiment. We use our dish soap, which I have in this little plate here. We have this plate. Thank you, Josie. I have red and blue food coloring for this experiment. You can use any colors you want, but I'm just using these ones for today. We have Josie. We have Q-tips and whole milk. Now, we need whole milk because it'll be best for our experiment because of the fats and the creams in the whole milk. There's most in that kind. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour a little bit of milk. It doesn't need to be a lot, so this is why a grown-up might need to help you, okay? Oh, are you helping me? Thank you. We're just going to cover the very bottom of the plate. Ready? Just a little bit. And once it's covered, whoop, there it is. That's all we need. See that?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to
put it does look like a pancake, Mom.
It does look like a pancake. You're right. Now
can you use blue for?
Yeah, sure, we can use the blue first. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our blue food coloring, and I'm going to make just a couple spots on this milk. All right, what do you think is going to happen when I put the food coloring in the milk, Josie?
It will turn purple.
You think it's going to turn purple? Well, this is just blue. What do you think when just the blue is going to go in there? Do you think it's going to spread out? Do you think it's going to stay in one little spot? What do you think?
One little spot.
One little spot? All right, well, let's see. We got 1, 2 drops. Oop, dropped another one. You know what? They did stay in one spot, didn't they? All right, it's important to remember when you're doing this, you don't want anybody to knock your table or shake the table because you want the milk to stay still for this experiment. We're going to get one more. All right. I know that's not pretty, but that is okay. Science is not always pretty. Now we're going to take the red. What do you think will happen when I put the red in?
It'll stay.
It'll stay where it is? That's a good prediction. And you know what? It's a good prediction because the blue stayed. So maybe the red will do the same thing. Ready? We're going to put a couple spots. Oh, you were right. All right. Now, let's see. We got our food coloring in the milk. We have our milk ready. Now we're going to take a Q-tip. Good job, Joe. Thank you. Oh, that was a little fuzzy. I'm going to take our Q-tip and dip just a little bit of soap on the end. See how I have just a little bit on the end? We're going to just tap it. Just tap. Whoa. Look at those colors. But look, they're still staying apart. We have the blue over here and the red over here. They're not mixing together. Let's try it some more. We'll touch the, whoa. What do you think is happening with this soap? What do you think, Joe?
I don't know.
Well, you know, have you ever eaten French fries and you've gotten, would you like to try? And you've gotten just greasy, dirty hands?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's happened before. And what did you do with your greasy hands?
I touched everything.
You touched everything? Oh my gosh. Well, what did you do after you touched everything?
Wash my hands.
You washed your hands with soap, right?
Yeah.
And did that soap help get all that grease off your hands? Yeah, it did? Well, that's great. Because you know what? There's lots of fat in milk. So when we're touching the milk with the soap, it's making everything go far away from the soap. So every time we're touching, go ahead, touch right in the middle of that blue one. Whoa! See that? The soap is repelling all the fat in the milk. You see? Isn't that cool? Oh, now we're stirring. Okay. Those look pretty cool though, huh? All right. Thank you, Josie, for your help.
Wait, what's so purple?
It is so purple. Thank you. And thank you everybody that came and watched our experiment. I hope you have so much fun doing this experiment at home.